In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data or just want a cleaner, more uniform look for your spreadsheet, making columns the same width can be a helpful technique. Let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I'll be using an expense tracker for this demonstration. Once you have your document open, look to the top left corner. You'll see a small, empty box located between the letter A and the number 1. Clicking on this box instantly selects the entire sheet. This step is crucial because it ensures that any adjustments we make will apply to all the columns in the spreadsheet. Next, move your mouse over to the column headers. You'll want to hover your cursor over the line that separates any two letters, like between columns A and B. As you do this, you'll see the cursor change into a double arrow, which is your indicator that you can adjust the column width. This might take a couple of tries to get exactly right, but with a little practice, you'll find your sweet spot. Once you see the double arrow, it's time to click and drag. Decide on how wide you want your columns to be, and simply drag the boundary to your desired size. The moment you release your mouse button, every column in your sheet will align to the width you've set. It's as straightforward as that, but the result is neatly organized columns that improve readability and presentation. After setting your desired width, you might see a pop-up message asking you to confirm the change or something similar. In this case, just click OK. This simple action confirms your choice and ensures Google Sheets applies the update across the entire document. While this covers the essential steps, here are a couple of bonus tips. You can repeat this method whenever you need to change column widths. Moreover, for those times when you inadvertently set your columns too narrow, remember that you can drag them back just as easily to the size you need. Consistency can be key, especially if you're prepping a report for sharing or printing. Of course, if you ever want to explore more customization options, Google Sheets offers various formatting settings to enhance your spreadsheet's overall look and functionality. Feel free to experiment with these features to suit your specific needs. That's all there is to it. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure your Google Sheets are neatly organized with columns of uniform width, elevating both the aesthetics and efficiency of your document. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.